Hi, I'm Palash, founder of Linux Media, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to edit page link or page URL. So all you have to do is go to your Webflow dashboard and open Designer. And once the Designer mode is open, all you have to do is click the third icon on the left hand side, and here you will find all the pages on your website. And when you hover on these pages, you will find there is a setting icon. So just click on the setting icon, and the third field is slug, or you can say the page URL or link. So you can just edit this by just clicking on it and making the changes. So I can just change this to my work, and that is it. Save the changes and hit publish, and that is how you change the page URL or page link. I hope this is helpful, and if you have any question about it, please let me know, and thank you for watching.